Hey guys, welcome back to this tutorial on how to use Autodesk Fusion 360. Now, as we saw in the last tutorial, we made the main body and we actually completed this lever over here, basically this shaft thing. And how this is going to work is like a crank here, and then when we turn this, I haven't put a joint yet, but basically when we turn this anti-clockwise, this thing's going to move anti-clockwise, and the shaft that we're going to build today lies over here, and basically that's going to rotate, and because this thing increases in radius, the shaft is slowly going to move upwards, and the shaft basically that's going to be connected to like a head, and that pushes open a garbage can, and the head like peeps out, and then as soon as it reaches the top, it quickly falls back to the bottom again. I think you get what I'm saying. So let's actually start building this. So first thing is, let's just go to the top. Now this needs to be this is going to kind of look like a cylinder with a radius, a radius of 3.75 millimeters and height of 120 millimeters. So let's just work with those dimensions and see what happens. So let's just click on this part and create a sketch over here. Top view, please. Now we need to make it right in the center of this. So I'm going to hit C on my keyboard to make a circle. Now let's make it 7 millimeters. No, 7.5. Sorry, yeah, it's 3.75. So that's 7.5 millimeters. This 5. Yeah, there's a circle. And let's just extrude this. So hit E on my keyboard, select the circle. Load. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I want this to come down and go all the way up again. So I'm going to make this 2 sides. Drag this one down. Okay. There it is. Front view. Let's just make it easier to see. And what I want to do is I want to drag it as far down as possible. Now, I don't want it to go too far down, so it's looking at 39. Let me just do a little more. Yeah, exactly 39.9. I hit it, so 39.8. That's for me. And I'm not using actual measurements here. I'm just going to adjust it further. So if that is 39.8 and I need 120, then I need to move this thing up 80.2 millimeters. So let's zoom back out and let's use this side here and let's move this 80.2. So 80.2. Yeah. 80.2. That's looking all right. Let's hit enter. Perfect. And that's the shaft. Now what we need to do is the top can remain that because we're going to put another head on top of that. So that's fine. The bottom over here, because that's in view, we might want to make this a little better. So let's create a fillet. So hit F on your keyboard for a fillet and select this edge, and let's just go 3.75. That gives us a nice rounded edge like that. Hit OK. Yeah, perfect. That's, yeah. There's our shaft complete, and then we can just add some joints to this in the next tutorial. Right now, I want to make this into a separate component, this shaft over here. So let's do that. I'm gonna go to bodies. That's what I just created, this body over here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna right click on this body, create components from body. Create that component, just click on that multiple times so you can rename it, and I'm just going to say shaft. Enter. Perfect. That's it. So now you can see this is a component because I can just move it around, and in the next video we'll be applying joints. So see you then. Thank you.